Hi there, my name is Jamal Khan. I'm a senior tax partner at Churchill Tax. My today's webinar is about hybrid LLPs, Spotlight 63, and less tax for landlords. It's a very hot topic at the moment, and a lot of landlords who have used the scheme are in a bit of a panic at the moment. So I'll just share my slides. Here we are. So yes, hybrid LLPs, Spotlight 63, and less tax for landlords. So this is a little bit about us, at Churchill Tax Advisors. So we're a leading specialist tax advisory firm. We serve throughout the UK, and we specialize in tax planning, property tax planning, inheritance tax planning, and tax investigations and dispute resolution. So hybrid LLP tax scheme. There was a spotlight issued by HMRC, Spotlight 63. This tax avoidance scheme was heavily promoted by the property group Less Tax for Landlords, currently in the Spotlight 63 by HMRC. HMRC have since been writing to different scheme users and landlords who have been using this, telling them to stop using it and to move away from the scheme. There's currently legal action underway against Less Tax for Landlords, by which has been put together by several landlords. This is my understanding. Mechanics of the hybrid LLP tax scheme. So essentially the way it works is there are landlords with multiple properties. They form an LLP and add limited company as a partner of the LLP or a member of the LLP. And then they allocate majority of the profits of the LLP to the limited company. So the limited company pays corporation tax at 19%, and it gets full tax relief for mortgage interest. And the base cost of the assets is uplifted, so that there's no capital gain on disposals later, and there's no inheritance tax as structure qualifies for business property relief. Now, this is the kind of their logic, how they have sold this scheme to the taxpayers or the landlords, but most of this doesn't work. Okay, so here is how the legislation is. Essentially, it relates to where there are corporate members to add it into LLP or a partnership, and income streams through where the partnerships have a corporate member or a partner. Income stream, any income allocated to the partner will be allocated to the other individual partners. Allocated. So if, for example, £100 is allocated to a corporate member or a limited company, which is a partner in the partnership or the LLP, that will be allocated to the other partners. Okay. And for capital gains tax purposes, there is no uplift by transferring properties into an LLP. LLP is seen as a see-through. And property rental businesses, for inheritance tax purposes, this property rental business is seen as an investment business, and therefore there is no business as such, and there's no business property relief available. What should users of the hybrid LLP tax avoidance scheme do? Yes, HMRC have confirmed that the hybrid LLP scheme does not work. This is their point in Spotlight 63. You may need so you may need to pay some extra tax, some penalties, and some interest. Okay, the users are advised by HMRC to stop participating in this scheme immediately and seek advice from qualified tax specialist, ideally a chartered tax advisor who knows how these schemes work and how to fix your tax affairs with HMRC. What happens to the promoters and users of the tax scheme, the hybrid LLP scheme? So if HMRC are proven correct in the courts, there will be significant penalties for less tax for landlords and the scheme users. HMRC will charge them penalties for not registering the marketed tax scheme under DOTAS, which is Disclosure of Tax Avoidance Schemes. There's a daily penalty of £600, and there's a fixed penalty of up to £1 million. Okay. The latest news on this is that Less Tax for Landlords claim that they have started legal case, challenge and appointed King's Counsel to fight the case. Scheme users have been told to hold tight and hang on, and not to abandon less taxable landlords, or their insurance may not be valid. So they're stuck. I've spoken to quite a few. They said, well, we've got this letter. They're saying if I leave them, then their insurance will not be valid. Okay, I think their insurance is not going to be valid anyway. The scheme is still being promoted. So some people are still signing up for this. Can Churchill Tax help? So Churchill Tax are one of the UK's leading tax specialists. Our team has chartered tax advisors, tax barristers, and ex-HMRC tax inspectors. We've helped the numerous users of failed tax schemes put their affairs right with HMRC so they can sleep better. Read our testimonials on our website and Google. Contact us, and I will be more than happy to help. This is what we do. Since I did my last webinar on Spotlight 63, we've had so many people contact us, and we're trying to put their affairs in order at the moment. And here's me. So this is I've been doing this for about 27 years, and if you've got any questions, my email is there and my telephone number is there. Thank you very much. Bye.